Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to log into ESIC employee account online in 2024, and if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is of course head over to esic.gov.in, and once you're on this page, what you need to do is to navigate to the services section by the left right here, and when you click on this drop down, we'll need to navigate to the employees section and you will find a list of options here. Now on the list of options, you would want to go to the one with the name IP portal, and I'll just click on it. So you will get a notification or a pop-up like so, which says that you will be redirected to IP portal. All you have to do is click on OK, and well, this should redirect you to the IP portal. All right, and here we are on the page on the employees logging portal. So the first thing you would need to note is that you can change the language over here, and I'll just click here and select English. Well, this page might actually reload, but before it does that, we'll just wait for the page to reload, and hopefully we'll have the information on this page in English. All right, so we're currently back, and well, as you can see, the page is now rendered in English, so there are some things we can see a bit clearer depending on what language you're currently using. So first of all, you would need a username right here. So this is where you would need to input your username and your password. Then you would need to fill in this captcha information right here, and then click on sign up, and then click on sign up, and then click on logging. So you would need to fill in your the captcha information over here on this right here, and once you're done with that, you would need to click on login. But first of all, before that, you need to either select if you're an ESI staff or insured person. So it's very important, and well, basically that's that. If you have issues with your password, you can click on forgot password right here, and it will redirect you to a page where you can actually verify your password. You can actually reset your password. Then if you're having health issues with your logging generally, like you're having issues with your account setting issues that go beyond your username and your password, you can actually get help by clicking on this right here. And if you currently don't have an account or you're looking for a way to go about it, you can click on the sign up. It's just, you just have to know exactly what it is or you're looking for on this platform. Before doing that, you can just click on the help right here, and you would be prompted to a page where you can actually interact with a customer care service, where you can actually drop your complaints or issues concerning your logging information or details. All right, so that's basically it for this video on how to log into ESIC employee account in 2024. And of course, if this video did give you some insights or tips on how best to go about the process, then of course feel free to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.